Hey guys, Brandon here from McGrath Estate Agents in Rockhampton, and I'm down here at Emu Park with Brendan from Premier AV Installs, and they're setting up an awesome media room down here. So Brendan, can you take us through some of the features that's happening down here?
Yeah. So right now we're actually in progress, right at the pointy end of the stick here, and today we're actually going to be finishing off this absolutely amazing media room. Media rooms like this are definitely a little gem for a home like this, such a fantastic home, and we've given it all the trimmings basically to make sure that this particular client is getting the best from this room in their house. So what makes this room particularly special over a normal media room is, number one, we've really gone all out when it comes to our selection of sound products. We've gone with speakers from Definitive Technologies, which are designed and built over in the United States. And basically they sound amazing, deep, full bass, and we've got lots of them. So there's speakers in the ceiling, there's speakers at the front, there's speakers, 4 speakers up the back. And basically, what that gives us is a full encapsulation, a full Dolby Atmos experience, but with speakers that sound amazing. As well, to complement those speakers, to get them sounding as best as we can, what we've done is, you can see in this room, we've got acoustic paneling, and we've selected the colors here as well to make them pop a bit so it looks good, so you know what's going on.
It's unreal, isn't it?
Yeah, but basically, the sound performance in here is as good as what you could get, say, for example, in a studio. So you could have a you know, your own backyard band in here and have recording quality sort of recording. So it works really well. So you can see that acoustic treatment we've done there. Another thing that we've done is we've got a 4K projector and out to a 100-inch screen. So to get a 4K 100-inch image is absolutely outstanding. Unreal. Yeah, it's unbelievable. It's a laser projector, so we've got really, really nice color contrast. We've got a laser in it, so that there's very little maintenance for the client, and really, really crisp, sharp images as well. So another awesome feature of this particular room as well is that everything in here is automated in this room. So basically, we've got the lighting, we've got the projector, we've got the amp, we've got the aircon even automated in here. So basically, it's as simple as the client sitting down, pressing a single button, and everything just works. Yeah, the whole room's just set up and ready to go. He doesn't have to know particularly how to operate each individual device. It just automatically happens for him. So
he basically tells you guys what he wants, and you just set everything up from him, start to scratch. Exactly. All you have to do is turn on the button.
Yeah, all he does is press a button on either the remote that we have. We've even got a button on the wall that he can press on the way in, and bang, the room comes to life, and away you go. So yeah, it's a really good time saver and really good headache saver, that's for sure.
That's awesome. Now, obviously, this media room is kind of one of the best I've ever seen, like I said before. But can you do this on a downscale size as well?
Yeah, absolutely. The thing is, with media rooms, you can spend your money in the right places or the wrong places. So this is absolutely achievable obviously in a different sort of specification level, but certainly there are very many different scale back versions that you can do to achieve a really good experience.
So if someone's trying to add a bit of value to their home, they can do a media room and do it right without spending an absolute ton of money.
Yeah, you don't have to spend as much definitely to still get a really, really good result. Obviously, when you want all the trimmings, it's a little bit of a different story, but to actually get the nuts and bolts going, get a nice, decent media room that you and the family can enjoy, you don't have to go to crazy extents. Yeah.
Well, awesome. Look, if you guys want to add a media room to your house to try and add a bit of value for your sale, jump on the phone and give Brendan a call from Premier AV Installs. They are just unreal.